Hi! In front of me is OPPO A79 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to infinite. Begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in Caffeine. And download this free app. Caffeine keeps screen on from this developer. When your app is ready, open it and select OK in Welcome pop-up. Lastly, click on Timeout and tap on Infinite at the top if it's not already on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!